guys, welcome back to Eboh Media. So on this episode we will show you guys we are airing an exclusive. This video was done by Eboh himself. It was the last video he shot before his unfortunate demise. He took his walk to Benue State. As you can see, my attire depicts that. So he worked on garment, the processes of making this Benue traditional attire. That was what he worked on. He finished filming in Benue State, and he was traveling back to his base in Asaba from Benue through Enugu when he met the hoodlums that took his life. So this is an emotional video for us. It's been sitting in the archive. We decided to air it after 1 year, just to honor him. So please keep on watching, keep on sharing, keep on subscribing to this channel. Make sure you watch this particular video to the end. This is an exclusive. This was the last video that he took alive. So please watch till the end. Thank you.
What up? What's good?
Good, bro.
So it's alright. How you feeling this morning?
Excited though. It's a new day here in Benue State, Makurdi precisely, and yeah, looking forward for what the day has in stock for us. So right now we're actually heading to a farm here. It's actually one of the biggest farm here in Benue State. So let's go check out the farm, see the kind of crops or the kind of animals at the farm. So I'm excited, looking forward for that.
So good.
And are they hungry?
Very important, man. That's child. So Steve, what you got for us today? Felix, what do you have for us today?
No, nothing much. Just that we just help my guys to catch one in Makurdi. They're gonna way back. I wish them success to reach their destination. That's all.
Bless, bro.
Thank you, guys.
I got love for you too. This color where you they make na popular color.
The color from Cross River.
From Cross River.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So how many years are here? Like how many wrappers?
Like 5 wrappers.
Like 5.
Yes.
So for how many days will it take you to finish the 5 wrappers?
2 days.
2 days.
2 days. That's interesting.
That's very interesting.
Process of making the fabrics. Okay, we don't know.
There's like one
Oh, this thing is not easy. Like to make this material now, like how long will it take before you process one full line?
one full lapa.
Yeah.
For how long? The length of the lapa, I don't know.
Yeah, like this, as long like this now. How many yards where this one now go feed do?
Na 3 lapa.
3 lapa. So now to make this 3 lapa, how many days?
How many days
Where if it take you to finish one?
Na 1 day.
1 day.
Yeah.
Ah.
That's good.
Thank you, bro.
Have you heard about the healthiest water in the world? That's coconut water.
Okay, I'm my water going finish now.
It's been a very hectic day. 1 o'clock a.m. Still outside working. Think it's time to go. Put the head in the bed, rest, and come out for this and come out for tomorrow. Very good night.